Yep. I gotta I gotta fix this because as soon as I turn the animation back on, first off, it's too small. Second off, putting the animation back on. Oh, like the window's up here. Ah. Hmm. Width. I need to stop. Recenter. Width. Try 1,000. Height. 500. No. 7. How large am I on the screen? Okay, that works. Um, Next move. No. If I tell it to reset, where's this music at? Is anything playing? Is any audio being heard at all? Hello? Hello? Oh, there we go. So there's no music. What's up with that? There we go. Now I actually hear the music. Awesome. Okay, I want to recenter it with the width of 1,700. Okay, so after a certain point, let's say around 750, it starts blending. What about past 1000? Okay, yeah, so 1000 is pretty good. Oh god, I forgot to make my bed. Oh, you know what? I can finally set that to 100. Yeah, so it turns out this whole time, uh, my camera's been on like 480p, or what's the format? Yeah, so it was on 480p. Fun. So it should be double the quality now. Um, I set this to 300. Seems alright. And then I set that to 200. Seems good. Okay, get the values. Okay, next move. Blob 1. At the end of blob 1, I'm gonna turn that off. Blob 1. Okay, blob 1, everything would be 200. Wait, no. Start that one. Behold! Why does it still say Hurricane Stream? Doesn't. No, I said for it to change. Damn it. Hey, Pearl, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you being here. I can't tell if that's... Why is my hair always a mess? Like, no matter what I do, it's just, like, chicken hair. Chicken scratch. It's because I'm on camera that I'm being self-conscious about it. Okay, set these down to 200. And that should be lob 1. Lob 2, if I remember correctly.
Wisebot said. White medium star new status, making Minecraft Bedrock UI TTS.
Let's see. I get the values here, and then it's top right, bottom left. Top right, bottom left. Top right, bottom left. This will trigger 2. Alright, now if I start the cycle. Oh, next move value blob 1, and then blob 2. Blob 1 starts blob 2. Blob 2 starts reset, and reset starts blob 1. Okay. Does that do anything? We're about 350. $350 seems to look like the better option. Damn it, Discord crashed? That's what happened.
Viper Shadow 28 said,
I am
"You look
exhausted.
so tired."
Yes, I am very tired. But it's just something I have to work through. Hopefully the camera looks better now. Turns out this whole time the camera's been on 480p. So I'm hoping
Viper
setting it
Shadow
to the full 720,
said,
then
does.
it'll show all of the
Viper
flaws
Shadow
of my
28
face in
said,
high quality.
WTF.
yet. I'm mostly doing this because my sister's gonna probably stream sometime soon, so it'll be in high definition when she finally gets access to it. That being said, where's
my ease said, "Wasp just gonna lurk, I'm still studying."
Hey, Jamie, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you being here. I've just got some lo-fi in the background. Let me know if the audio balance
Viper
is
Shadow
alright.
28 said, "How did you get the TTS on stream?"
There is a website called speechchat.com. If you link it to your Google Drive and Twitch, I believe, it will link between it'll link your Twitch and your YouTube channels chat. So you guys are commenting on, you're chatting on Twitch, but if someone was on YouTube, it would also show up.
Viper Shadow 28 said, "WTF, that's cool."
And what was it? And then I'm streaming to both Twitch and YouTube using Restream. So that's how I'm streaming to both platforms at the same time. I was placed in charge of making a GUI pack for the resource pack. So, you know how I used the Faithless resource pack on Java edition of Minecraft? I was tasked with updating the Bedrock edition of the pack. Currently,
Voided System said, "LOL, I'm here."
I'm gonna only say that you join now. Oh yeah, look at
Viper
that.
Shadow
Over on
28
YouTube. Got it.
said, "That's my YouTube."
Makes sense. So I was placed in charge by Stitch to make the resource pack. Making the GUIs for the resource pack is an entirely different process than on Java Edition. On Java
Voided
Edition,
System.
you just swap out
Thanks
the.
for following.
Thank you for subscribing to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. I don't have my room lights on at the moment, but they would have changed if I had them on. I was placed in charge of porting some features over, like, for example, the blast furnace looks like this when you open it up, and when it's actually on, it has like the flames at the bottom there, right? And then here's some progress indicators up here. On Java Edition, this is the file that you need. On Bedrock Edition, there's also some programming that has to be attached to it for it to work. Another thing is biome colored water. So, like a mushroom island, the mushroom spores have gotten into the water, so it's got a tint of purple. In a warm ocean biome, there's a lot of algae in the water, so it's tinted slightly green. And then normal water is this vibrant blue. In the deep dark, water is pitch black, and in the end, water turns into grape juice. but there is things that I've been learning over the past few
Viper
days
Shadow 28 said,
that I didn't even know were
LOL.
possible with the current system. What I do want to learn, though, is the title bar. Hmm. Maybe boss, not bass, boss. Boss bar. Hmm. It's interesting. Just hmm. Action bar. Oh, that's kind of cool. They made a custom thing for advancements. Boss. This. Hmm. Gotta be a different way of doing this. I
What are you
just
streaming?
unmuted. I'm working on a resource. I said this before, right? I was working on the resource pack.
Yeah.
But I actually have like stuff to show for the work that I've done so far. If I can find.
It's on the Discord service.
They all have their own use.
Mm-hmm.
But essentially, first step, which somehow is the easiest, is biome-based waters. So, like, mushroom islands have purple water around it because the purple mushrooms the spores are leaking into the water.
Okay.
And then warm oceans have a lot of algae in them, so they are tinted more green than the normal water.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. I like purple.
And then in special biomes like the deep dark, the water becomes pitch black,
That's sick.
and in the end it just becomes grape juice for some reason. But I mean, grape juice, grape soda, whatever it
Makes
is,
sense.
it's
Everything there is like themed like white, black, purple.
right. Yeah. This took me a lot shorter than it should have, because I was trying to find an answer to a different problem, and I accidentally found the answer to a problem I didn't think of yet.
Yeah. What do they think?
I literally said, do you have colored water based off biomes? I may have accidentally found an answer to the problem I didn't have yet. And they didn't know it was possible. So
Yeah, that's sick.
I'm gonna head back over here. Yeah, so all of these servers have a reason, and group servers are similar in content. Actually, this one should be in that folder. So, like, these servers are for like the server that I host upstairs.
Okay.
These are close friends servers. These are like modded server related content. On my server, I have like the Pat Box's Brewery mod, where even in a vanilla game, you can join the game and get drunk. I probably shouldn't have that on the server, come to think of it. But it's cool because like you can have things like ropes and
Oh yeah.
trash cans and signs, all within the vanilla game without downloading any mods.
Oh yeah.
Only the server has to have these mods. It's pretty cool though. I didn't know they added rope. Might have to add the. I might have to update the mod.
I got a question for you.
What was that?
I said I got a question for you.
What's up?
What do you think about me financing a computer from Best Buy or something like that?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Financing a computer?
Yeah.
Like making payments on the computer. Okay.
Yeah. I know that, but like, what would?
What do I use it for?
Yeah.
Well, on-time gaming, on-time school. Probably gonna do online.
Right.
But I'm look and play like hardcore games. Like
So
Rust.
RTX card, Rust, yeah, at least the 3000 series card.
Well, actually, I had a 1080 Ti on it, and it was
Yeah,
running it.
it's gonna run so much better with it.
Well, to be
So
fair, to
I
be
have a
fair,
GTX 1070 and I can't run Rust.
Yeah, to be fair, I had a 1080 Ti, and then I had a shared GPU for my CPU, which put out 15 gigs.
Yeah, that's insane that you were able to run it off of integrated graphics for so long.
What do you mean, bad graphics?
No, you were on integrated graphics. The last computer
Yeah.
that you called me about,
Yeah.
you were on integrated graphics. You weren't even using the graphics card.
Really?
You weren't even using the graphics card. That was
That's
integrated.
probably why the graphics card never got fried.
Right.
That's crazy. Okay. Do all CPUs come with that?
Yeah, so here, if you look at the back of my computer, there's no CPUs for this motherboard that are compatible at the moment. Don't unplug it, that's running. So it's just far enough you can see that there's an HDMI display board.
Oh yeah.
So you had it plugged in up here, and the graphics card is down here. So every motherboard has the capacity for eventually integrated graphics, but not. But just because you have integrated graphics doesn't mean if you plug it into the motherboard directly that the graphics card's gonna work.
Yeah.
The graphics card is down there.
Yeah.
Not up here.
So how do you share those two? Do you just plug it into the GPU?
Just don't bother with integrated graphics.
Oh.
Integrated graphics puts more strain on the CPU.
Okay, that's probably why the
So-
CPU fried.
So the CPU, well, also there's an Intel bug right now where Intel CPUs are frying themselves.
Hmm.
So don't get an Intel if you're financing one.
Alright.
Genuinely, there's a bug in the programming of Intel CPUs that cause certain threads to fry themselves.
Huh.
So there are certain cores to fry themselves, and if left running for too long, it will eventually kill the computer, because then it'll run out of functioning threads.
That's probably what happened to me. Because it started like randomly when it got hot, it would just turn off. And
Well,
then I could turn it back on, and then eventually when it would get hot, I wouldn't be able to turn it on for like 30 minutes.
Right.
And then it just said, nah, I'm done.
That just sounds like an overheating issue. You cooked it to death.
Well, I had every fan on it running, and it had good circulation. And I would
CPU
constantly,
fan.
I would constantly check the.
If I remember
fan.
correctly, you had.
There's one fan that would run.
If I remember correctly, the case fan and the CPU fans were swapped.
Yeah, and one was pushing out more than it was pushing, or I had more pushing out air than it was pushing in it.
Mm-hmm.
And I think, it was just all from the beginning.
Yeah, just making
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. But, alright, yeah, I'm thinking about it. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna have to have, like, work again. I'm gonna have to start going to work again if I do that.
Alright.
Alright. I'll see you.
If you-
What?
If you want to help determining a really good one versus a really cheap one,
Mhm.
like for example, iBuyPower PCs, stay away from them.
Yeah.
They're notorious for having bad parts on
Which
them.
ones?
It's called iBuyPower,
Okay.
and
Well, yeah, I'll let you know, alright? Have fun with your stream.
honestly, I'm just procrastinating at this point.
Talking to me at a stream.
Honestly, I'm just procrastinating at this point. I I want to get it done, don't get me wrong. I just can't find the motivation to start working.
Hey, you're getting paid, so that's your motivation. Money, 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 money.
I don't even know if I'm getting paid all the way. I'm just... From what Stitch said he would want to pay. But I don't know if that's actually gonna happen or not. But if I'm able to do it for this resource pack, then worst comes to worst, I can do it for other people's resource packs.
Yeah, you think.
And then I would just give access to... There's currently one person who's already done all of this work, but he's being an ass about it and restricting who can use those files. So I'm making pretty much the Linux of... I'm making the open source alternative of what he's already made.
Alright.
Thank you. Maybe I'll actually start working. Ooh, that is citrus. So the UI definitions. Bedrock edition. Oh god. Oh, okay. Pretty good stream, still going strong. Do we even need any of these? Okay, I guess I could see that being...
Reaper of Crows said, "Boo."
Oh, okay. Control Alt S. Oh, well, I was already in there. Reaper of Crows, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you being here. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing fantastic. I am attempting to I cannot identify the type of file that you're trying to open and create. Right-click the file. Associate with file type. Awesome. That works perfectly. How are you doing today? I hope
Reaper
you're doing
of Crows
fantastic.
thinking on what to do when I get my grubby mitts onto Satisfactory.
So,
Parent.
we are hosting a Satisfactory server on angrycraft.com. And it's almost done. There's 2 more phases left. It's also a spaghetti mess, so I believe the last 2 phases may take as long as the rest of the journey. Especially if I keep procrastinating like I am right now with the code.
Reaper of Crows said, "Got it worse than hell."
Okay, so name space not sports.
Reaper of Crows said, "Hey look squirrel."
Where? Buttons, EX. Main inventory buttons panel. Right. Type panel's over here. Oh, it's literally just the div. Common buttons, DX. Common buttons. UI common. What would be interesting? Hello there.
Hey yo,
Hey, Pearl. How you doing?
Test. Beta.
I was going crazy because it just disappeared one day. That's. I need to just rest.
Watch a punching code into.
What was that? Sorry? Bedrock Edition resource pack.
EW Bedrock.
Yeah. Agreed. Light map. There's a light map. Define has a light map.
Different code formats and everything makes everything 10x more tedious.
Ten times more tedious is being generous. It's being really generous. At Botania shaders. That's crazy. Dude. That's really cool. And
What?
yeah.
Hi, people.
Uh,
I can go smoke.
I fixed something.
Which one?
The camera was only streaming in half resolution.
Still has been streaming like now.
What?
Still has been streaming like now.
I'll try fixing that. I don't know why your account wouldn't work though. No. Alright. Okie dokie. Yeah, have a good one. And block states, and then no, not block states, models. And now if I go to baby.json. Oh, you know what? Oh, sorry. Oh, that's cool. Where are the yeah, format just kind of sucks, and on top of that, the one person who has done the work already and figured out all the format stuff is stonewalling us.
Tis what it is.
How good are you at understanding code? I know you're good at like data packs, but I just Why did Bedrock Edition ever become the main focus? Like, sure, that's where your marketplace is. where you
Jason,
can-
Python, Luau Unity.
It's Jason. It's JSON format. Fortunately and/or unfortunately. Mm. Wait a minute. What if I just plugged in this monitor into my laptop and then, because I already have a program that couldn't let me use the same. Oh, I've got the pack working over here. Oh, so that's what it does. It's a black button, yeah. That. Do I need those though?
It's a JSON format.
We're supposed to focus in on the. Oh well, change windows. Size screen. Typing was hell. Like I don't know. And the problem with not knowing is no one can really help me. On top of that. Bedrock editor. Oh, look at that. Is it like world edit?
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
No, what if I just make the request directly? I am curious. Resource packs. Let's try this. Come on, today, please. Got it. So it doesn't convert GUI.
Liftoff of mission 41B, the first flight of the orbital Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower. Discovery's core computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.